if Solomon or David or Moses saw those videos in their wife phone, the Bible probably would have been written differently. God forgive me if I say anything out of the way.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Yep, please remember to like, hit that subscribe button for me, share the video, help me grow the channel. Yep. Now today's video is a bit different from what I always do. Like, I'm gonna touch on a topic or something that it's not really my line of videos. However, I think it's very important. You know, it's hot in the Jamaican scene right now on Jamaica social media, etc. It's the whole situation with Majah Hype and his ex-fiance Kirby. First off, let me say violence against women is not accepted in any form. No form of abuse is accepted, whether towards women or towards men. You understand? It's an equal feel. Now, with that being said, let's start with Majah Hype. Majah Hype is a social media personnel, comedian, all of that good stuff, you know. Give us a laugh here and there, and very much respectable. And a lot of us, including myself, is disappointed in his actions. You understand? Because from what his ex-wife is claiming, he physically abused her, and as I said before, abusing any person, male or female, is definitely wrong. So in that case, he is 100% wrong if the accusations are correct, you know. But with that being said, I must add, like, if the videos that are circulating on social media is really his spouse, there's no justifying his action. But honestly, if if King Solomon, who have 700 wives, went into any of his wife phone and saw the videos that Majah Hype saw in his ex-wife phone, I don't know, probably their reaction would have been the same. You feel me? It's the videos are disturbing, bro. Like, people can have fantasies, but I think you should fill out your fantasies with who you're with. And if the person who you're with doesn't match what you like, leave the person and move on. Don't be doing all kind of stuff during a relationship. You feel me? And as I said, I'm not justifying what he did, but if Solomon or David or Moses saw those videos in their wife phone, the Bible probably would have been written differently. God forgive me if I say anything out of the way. No, in regards to the lady, like, yo, as I said before, bruh, I'm not saying you're the fault for it, but you can't be doing stuff like that, you know. All right then, multiple times as men, your spouse go into your phone and see something, and right away, what's her reaction? Her reaction is to slap you in the face, thump you, kick you. You understand? Because it's an instant reaction. Sometimes you don't mean to do what you did. You understand? So women have abusive reactions to stuff that they see as well or hear. So it's just I just think that's what happened in his case. Like, you know, he went through the phone and they were there and he just reacted immediately. Because I've not watched any of their lives, I've not watched any of their videos. Let me say that I've just been on Twitter reading, been on because it's too much, to be honest. Like, it's too much. So I've not watched any or read anything that they've posted. I just comments that I've read and summarized what is going on. You see me? But as I said, like, if I'm in the car with my spouse and so a message come in my phone and it's a nude pic, I know her reaction is gonna be a fist in her face or a thump or a kick. After she calmed down, she probably gonna be sorry that she physically abused me. So it's the same thing. If I'm here with my spouse and we are go through and me see a dick pic come in, my reaction probably will be negative. We are humans. We react to what we see or what we hear. You understand? And then we deal with the repercussion after, which might be very bad for us. And in this case, Majah Hype. I hope it's going to affect his career, but I really hope he can get over it. Honestly, what I think he should have done or should do is just to come out and, you know, if he abused her, just admit that he did, apologize, and move on with his life. Because as it is right now, people have her off more because of what they've been seeing over the past few days. Like, she've lost a lot of credibility. You understand? Because the stuff that we see, like, man, people who I've seen her on social media, people are lick out against her now. Like, people who was with her on her side, no, they don't want anything to do with her. You know, it's just a sad situation. As I said, I'm really sorry that he abused her, if he did. And boy, I don't know, the stuff that I saw, the videos, man, God no, is a way. But also from one of the sex tape with Majah Hype ex-fiance, allegedly, she loved beating. Now, if she loves slapping her face during sex, that does not justify she being abused. But as some heavy slap she get in her face, allegedly, if it's her. So if she received them, it's a possibility to say those slaps, she received the blue eye and black eye from those sexual slaps. You understand? Now, a lot of persons have some different, some weird kind of fetish, and probably that's one of her fetish. But I'm just saying, she love lick. She love receive lick. Whether for pleasure or what. I'm not justifying her being abused by her ex, allegedly. But I'm just saying, from that sex tape, she love lick. Because of some hard slap she get in her face. So, yo, let me say, pow! I just had to add that. Sometimes your immediate reaction towards something negative is negative, and it can cause a lot of harm and damage to somebody else and also yourself. So just be careful, you know, like, try to calm down if there's a situation, immediate situation, before you tackle it. You know, sometimes you just have to walk away. It's hard, because honestly, I don't know what my reaction would have been if I was ever put in a situation like that, where I went through my spouse's phone and saw all those videos. My woman, my wife, suck so much different. Yo, it's a way. But be careful out there, guys. Stay safe. Don't abuse your man. Don't abuse your woman. Just, if you guys not feeling each other, just break up. I know sometimes it's hard for women, they want to leave, and the man decides, say, yo, you can't leave me, which is another messed up situation, and that's another topic for another video. But as I said, just be safe. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And yeah.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.